this is Gene Thorpe from Little Red Rooster TV, and today we're looking at an ART professional tube preamplifier and compressor. This is a little tube preamp compressor unit, and if you look at this thing, it is built just so strong. And these came out about 9 years ago, and what I always try to do here at Red Rooster as far as equipment gear is show you stuff that you can pick up cheap. This little unit, this little guy right here, has all the features of much more expensive compressors. One of the ones we did last year was a overview of the Yamaha compressor, and I A and B'd the Yamaha and the ART, and I certainly like this. I've used these for vocals. I've used them to record bass and guitar and drum mics and all sorts of things. They've got lots of latitude. It's got a very good compressor in it, phantom power supply, lots of different types of inputs, so you can use high impedance or low impedance, balanced or unbalanced, and it plugs right into the wall, so it doesn't have to have a little wall wart or anything like that. And this thing weighs about 1.5 pounds. And so if you're ever looking for something to add to your recording studio, I was on Reverb and eBay, and there are many of these out there right now, and you can see the smaller ART preamps. But if you ever come across this one that says PAC, and what I believe it stands for is Professional Amplifier and Compressor, pick one up. You can usually pick these up from somewhere between $100 and $150. And so this is Gene Thorpe, Little Red Rooster TV, signing out.